Hi, my name's Phoebe. I work for QVC and I am the junior buyer on home accessories and seasonal. The first product I want to show you guys is this home reflection 2-in-1 lantern. It comes with both the fairy lights, which you'll see right here, and it also comes with a bulb, so you get 2 looks for the price of 1. And you can also take the lid off, so you can use it all year round. You can get that Christmas tree look, or you can get this nice look here. The next exciting product I want to show you is our Home Reflections Iridescent Pre-Lit Shapes. They're very exciting and they are a firm favourite amongst us here at QVC. So the first one we have is this lovely sphere shape. You can also take it off the stand, which is really cool, so it's super versatile. You can put it on your front door or have it on your dining table, and it can be used all year round. The next shape we have, which is a favourite amongst the buyers, is this star. And we were saying you can put it in your fireplace, put it by your front door. It's really, really sweet and super on trend. And then we have this lovely tree with a star on top. So 3 very different shapes. This is our fun and classic part of the collection. This is our lovely Christmas brand, Festive. And as you can see, it's a super exciting product. These are our infinity pieces back here. So we've got a retro Santa, a robin, a gong, a lovely train, and an elf. They're perfect in a window and really different to what's out there on the market. And then we've also got these lovely signs, which are also festive. We've got a Santa, a Merry Christmas, and a Christmas tree, just giving that little nod to a kind of retro feel as well. And they have been a fan favourite today at our Christmas showcase. And then on the table, we've got these lovely presents, which are also infinity, which you can hang up against a window or you can put them on a dining table as a display, and they have a really cool effect when you're looking from above. Same with the stars and same with the candy canes.